Welcome back, folks. We are back with a new video. Today, we are going to discuss where you can get a payday loan. We will discuss some of the best lending platforms from which you can get easy and fast payday loans. The best part is that even if you have bad credit or low credit, you can still get a payday loan. Let's get started. To get to the official website of these lending platforms, you can find all the official links in the description box. Top 5 payday loan lenders. Low credit finance. First up, low credit finance is a great choice if you are in need of a payday or same-day loan. They offer loans ranging from $100 to $50,000 with interest rates between 5.99% and 35.99%. One of the things about low credit finance is you don't have to deal with any type of paperwork or hidden fees. To qualify, you just need to be over 18 years old and have a verifiable source of income. The application is simple and straightforward. Just fill out the form on their website with your personal and financial details, and you will get a decision within one business day. Jungle Finance. Next, Jungle Finance will specialize in helping people with bad credit histories. They offer same-day loans with amounts ranging from $100 to $5,000. Their interest rates are similar, ranging from 5.99% to 35.99%. You need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid mobile number and email address, and a US bank account to apply. Also, the application process at Jungle Finance is quite straightforward, which includes filling out an application form and waiting for a quick decision from the lenders. If approved, the loan amount will be deposited into your bank account in 24 hours. Big Buck Loans. Big Buck Loans come to the rescue of all bad credit borrowers who need immediate money. They offer an easy online application process and provide same-day loans. Their loan amounts range from $100 to $5,000 with interest rates between 5.99% to 35.99%. To apply at Big Buck Loans, you need to be a US citizen or resident, have a US bank account, and show your stable monthly income to the lenders. The application process is quick and can be done entirely online in a few easy steps. Once you are approved, the funds will be deposited into your account the same day. Viva Payday Loans. Viva Payday Loans is another lender that is perfect for those with no credit history or who need funds quickly. They offer loans from $100 to $5,000 with competitive interest rates from 5.99% to 35.99%. The application process is fast and straightforward. Just fill out the online form and provide proof of details, and you will receive a decision from the lender within minutes. Also, if the lender approves the loan, then you will receive the loan amount directly to your bank account. Viva Payday Loans also provides quick funds with no hidden fees included, a completely transparent fee structure. Green Dollar Loans. Finally, we have the Green Dollar Loans lending platform. It is a trusted source for instant and personal loans. They offer quick access to funds with loan amounts from $100 to $5,000, and the interest rates are also competitive with the present rates in the market. However, you need to make sure that you are qualified for their eligibility criteria. You need to be above the age of 18 years old, have a stable source of income, and also have a valid US bank account. Also, the application process at Green Dollar Loans is quite simple and easy to go through. How to apply for a payday loan online. The application process to get a payday loan online is quite simple. Here is how it goes. First, you need to assess your current financial situation and determine the amount of money that can get you out of your financial situation. Based on this, assess your monthly income and other sources of money to see if you can obtain the desired loan amount or not. Next, gather all your documents such as your income proof, identity details, etc. After you gather your documents, you have to select lending platforms that can provide you with the exact amount needed to improve your financial situation. Also, check out the approval rates and withdrawal rates. Ensure you choose the right lending platform that fits your needs and requirements. Once you select the right lending platform, visit the lending platforms you chose and start the loan selection process by filling out the application forms. Once you submit your documents and complete the application form, you will connect with a lender who can offer you the loan amount. The lender will provide a loan agreement that includes all the details about the loan, such as the loan amount, interest rates, etc. If you are satisfied with the loan terms and conditions, accept it, and you will receive funds within the next 24 hours or the same day. Conclusion. To wrap up the video, you can easily get payday loans through different lending platforms that are available online. This lending platform can give you loans easily and they don't conduct any credit checks, so you don't have to worry even if you have low or bad credit. But make sure to select the right lending platform. You can select the one we mentioned in our video for a better and easier research process. You can choose one of those that best suits you. That's it for today's video. See you in a new one. You can check out the description to get to the official lending platform website.